Hi you guys, and thank you so much for tuning into my channel. So today I have a MoonGlow product to show you guys. Do you want to know what this is all about? Stay tuned. Okay, you guys, so I just received a package from MoonGlow and I am so excited to show you this and tell you all about this. So let me just let you guys know, I did receive an email from MoonGlow. They reached out to me. They asked if I'd be willing to review one of their products and they would send it to me for review, and that's what they did. So thank you so much, MoonGlow, for sending me this product to review. I'm so excited to open it up and to show you guys. Oh my goodness. Okay, so when I received the email, and I get emails all the time, and most of them I just ignore, or I'll kind of look through them and then end up mostly ignoring. There's very few. I'm very picky with the ones that I say yes to. So when I saw this and I kind of was reading up on their email, I'm like, let me check out this site. So I clicked their site and I'm like, oh, what in the world? This is amazing. I definitely want to see what this looks like in person to show you guys, because here's the thing. If you guys follow me, you know I love the moon phase. I've always loved sun, moon, and stars. I have the moon phase tattooed on myself that I'm gonna have for the rest of my life. So once I saw this, I'm like, I've got to try this. I've got to see what this looks like. This is just amazing. So what they do is they make the most unique jewelry. It's mainly bracelets and necklaces. They do have a few rings, and they do have one pair currently of earrings that can be made in this manner that I'm going to explain to you. But they have one anklet, they have a few chokers, but mainly they have a lot of different really neat designs with just necklaces and bracelets. And what you do is you pick a specific date down to the exact year. You're talking the day, the month, and the year. Whatever it is, that could mean something to you. It could be your birth date, it could be your graduation, it could be a wedding, an anniversary, it could be the birth date of your children, it could have been a special day to remember that you got a pet, you adopted a child, it could be the death of somebody in your family that you want to remember them by, any date that you would like, and you put that date in their site and it actually gives you the exact moon phase for that specific date. And they capture it on this jewelry. It is amazing, you guys. So I wanted to get my birth dates. I went to my exact birth date and I chose that for my moon cycle because I am who I am, and I wouldn't be who I am if I wasn't born on that date. So that is a specific date that I think is really neat, because I have now my moon phase for the exact day that I was born. Now they have them where you can even do multiple. They have bracelets and necklaces that you can make where there's multiple. So let's say you have 2 kids or you have 5 kids and you want to capture the moon phase for each of your children, or whichever that special date means to you, you can capture multiple ones. Of course, they're going to be a little bit more money, but you can capture multiple ones on the same item if you would like. So definitely check them out. I will link them down below. You can see all of the amazing products that they have, but I'm so excited to open mine and see what it looks like in person. So it did come in this particular mailer bag. It shipped very fast. And on their site, when it says why MoonGlow, so MoonGlow is handcrafted in Canada with high quality resin, semi-precious metals, and genuine gemstones. Our iconic moon image is an original design by Canadian artists, carefully set in each unique piece. We cherish each MoonGlow piece as much as you cherish your special moment. They have free shipping on all orders over $50. They have fast international shipping, free returns within 30 days, secure shopping at checkout, and industry-leading customer service. So let's go ahead and dive in here. I'm so excited to see what I got. Oh my goodness. So down inside here is a card, and it says, "You've landed on the moon. We hope you love your MoonGlow as much as we enjoyed handcrafting it for you. Prepared, your order was May, so thank you so much for preparing my order. Here's a little brochure, and you can see that gorgeous woman right there is wearing the necklace and the bracelet with different moon phases on them. Oh my goodness, I can't wait." So it does come in this little box right here, and oh, and it pulls out like a little drawer, and it pulls out like that. And let's see here. So here's the bracelet that I chose, and then here's a little booklet inside, and it tells me the exact date written on the back. So this is so neat. Okay, and MoonGlow is jewelry featuring the moon from the date of your choice. We handcrafted MoonGlow so you can keep your special moments close. Our moons absorb light by day and emit a soft glow in darker environments. Keep reading to find your phase. What? So does it change colors? What? Okay, so let's show you. Here is the bracelet that I chose, and there is my moon phase. Oh my goodness gracious, that is gorgeous. So I will go ahead and put in a screenshot on the side to show you, if I just put in my date of birth, what the moon phase looks like, and that should be what this looks like right there. Now, this bracelet does come in a navy blue, which you guys know blue's my favorite color, but I thought going with this light gray heather looking color would match with more outfits and I would be able to wear it more. This does have the adjustable bottom. You guys know that at times with my big ol' honky donkin' chunky dunkin' wrist, some things don't fit me. So they do have amazing looking bracelets. They even have one that has like silver cutouts to finish like the phase of the moons. And I would have loved that one, but I didn't know how adjustable that would be. And I would be really upset if it didn't fit because I really wanted to wear it. So I didn't choose that one because of that reason. But if you have a normal size wrist, then you shouldn't have any problems with any of their jewelry. It's just, I have an abnormal size wrist, I guess. So let me go ahead and get this on. Oh my gosh, that is so pretty. I do like how this looks, and it does have the different silver pieces in between, so it gives it a little bit more flair, but that is gorgeous. Oh my gosh. And again, once I saw the moon phases, I'm like, wait a minute, you capture the exact date of the moon phase of that night in jewelry that you can keep forever? What? So I am so thankful that they contacted me. I can't be happier. Like, you guys know how I love my moons, and for a company that sells moon phase jewelry, like, Tracy's got to get in on this. So again, I just wanted to pop on here. I wanted to show you guys my amazing bracelet that they made specifically with my date. And then there is a little charm on here, and it has a little moon phase on there. That's their logo, which should be the same. That is right here. And so you have the little charm that's hanging. I can definitely go tighter or looser on this because, again, of the adjustable. I do like how it has these little silver things hanging, so it just gives it a little flare in the back. And there's my bracelet, you guys. Isn't that just so pretty? So any special moment or any moment in your life that you want to capture and have it with you forever, this is just an amazing concept, and I am so thankful that they got a hold of me. I can't say that enough. But here is my date of birth and when I was born almost 40 years ago. Like 39. I still have a few more months until I'm 40, but it is happening this year. So oh my gosh, I love this. And again, I really wanted the gray because I can wear it with anything. And now you're going to be seeing this in more and more videos because this is just an amazing bracelet, you guys. Does it glow? Does it glow? It glows. What? It glows. I'm going to have to drop in a little photo of this thing glowing. But there you have it, you guys. Again, this is the one that I chose. They let me choose whichever I wanted, and I wanted to get a necklace, but I know I never, if you guys see, I never take this necklace off unless I'm taking it off for a second to try another one on for that video. But I never take this off when I take a shower, when I sleep. I never really take this one off. So I know I wouldn't wear the necklace as much as I would want to. So I definitely wanted to get a bracelet. They have so many different bracelets though, you guys. So pretty. They have them with multiple. You can do, I think they have them with 2, 3, 4, and 5 different moons on them. So this is just, I can't say it enough. This is just amazing. And then here's the care. Remember to keep your MoonGlow away from water, especially the ocean. Sharks love shiny stuff. Yeah, no ocean waters with sharks. We made our box with lots of love. Use it to store your piece when you're not wearing it. If your jewelry features dangling charms, take extra care when handling, as these hanging moons can be prone to scratches. Some of their bracelets that they have, instead of having it built in like this, they actually dangle, or they'll be built in. So if they're dangling, what they're saying is, you know, they might scratch more because they're dangling around doing the damn thing. But this box does have this velvet in here. It has this little velvet lining that if you had earrings or the bracelet, you can put in there, or you can just leave it in. And it does have this. So when you're not using it, you can just store it in the box, and the box will keep it nice and protected. And then you know that is your moon jewelry. Oh my goodness, I love it. So you guys, comment down below. Let me know, what do you think of this concept? Do you think this is as amazing as I do? I think this is just amazing. I've never heard of anything like that. I've never heard of anybody capturing a moon phase on a specific date. You can go back 40 years or more. Like, you can keep going back. Like, it is just amazing. I love it. So again, comment down below. Your positive interaction means the world, and I greatly do appreciate it. Again, thank you so much for sending me this amazing bracelet. I'm definitely gonna wear it with pride. It's my moon phase. I love it, and I'm so excited. So thank you guys so much. Until next time, you know that drill. Keep a smile on that gorgeous face of yours, and I will see you on the next one. Bye. Crafty crew out.